Yes. We are doing a seafood boil and I'm super excited because it's one of my favorite meal to prepare. Yes, guys, I really love my seafood. Alright, so here what? Let's get right into it and season our water. But take a good look at all these ingredients you need for your boil. The ingredients used to season the water are scallion, pepper, crab oil mix, a tablespoon of Cajun season, and a small onion. You could use a big one, it doesn't really matter. Yeah, flavors is good. Can't get enough, right? When your water comes to a boil, you're gonna add your Irish and your corn. Cook those for 20 minutes, then add your lobster tail with a couple slices of lemon to flavor up your water, guys. Next up, you're gonna remove your Irish and your corn when fully cooked. This roughly takes about 25 minutes of cooking. Then add your shrimp and cook for 3 minutes. After cooking both your shrimp and lobster, remove them and put them aside, right? In total, the lobster takes 8 minutes and the shrimp takes 3 minutes. Next, add these bad claws, guys, and your snow legs and boil for 3 minutes because really they are come pre-cooked, so you just want the heat and the flavors from the cooking water to get into it. That's basically just get them heated, right? Because they're already pre-cooked, right? And then remove them and set them aside. No, I have to emphasize, guys, don't overcook your seafood. The last thing you want is to make this expensive purchase and then overcook all these goodies. No way. Be precise with all the timing that I told you. 3 minutes for the shrimp, 3 minutes for the clog, 3 minutes for the snow leg, and 10 to 8 minutes for the lobster tail. Quick and easy. Alright, let me break it down to you guys. 8 minutes to 10 minutes for the lobster. And the other seafood, 3 minutes. Amazing. Easy, right? Quick. And you remove them. That way to avoid overcooking. No, I definitely have to have eggs in my seafood. So I don't know about you, but I do. So what I recommend, if you want to have eggs, just boil them separately for 10 minutes and you're good to go. Now, guys, this is the star of the show, the sauce. And we can't emphasize enough on the sauce because guess what? When you dip your lobster, your shrimp, your snow leg, your claw in this sauce, you're gonna have a mwah. You know what I mean? Anyway, guys, I'm gonna make a delicious mild spicy sauce. Now, begin by heating your pan on low flames and add your butter to melt. Then add your minced garlic and cream together for 2 minutes. After which you're gonna add your minced onion to your garlic melted butter sauce and stir for additional 2 minutes. Next up, mix your dry seasoning together, then add them to your buttery mixture. Use 2 tablespoons of Cajun season, 2 tablespoons of Old Bay season, 1 pack of Sazon season, 1 tablespoon of dry basil, 1 tablespoon of oregano, and 1 tablespoon of onion powder. Now stir and cook for 5 minutes. This sauce is something to talk about. It is so trust me. You want to eat, just want to eat. And when your belly full, it just come like you want to continue eat. The sauce just want to make a, I'm going to have another piece of lobster. I'm going to have another piece of shrimp. I'm going to have another piece of, oh my, the sauce just make you keep on dipping, guys. Drizzle your sauce on your seed oil and voila, you're going to enjoy. Now we come down to the good part, because guess what? I'm definitely going to get some good feedback when you all try this seafood method. I know, I'm confident enough you're going to enjoy it just as how I enjoyed it. You know what I mean? Anyway, guys, remember to give us a thumbs up. And if you get value from this video, please do subscribe for future upload and also check out another one of our videos.